Beautiful makeup starts with flawless skin. In this lesson, I'm going to share with you something about skin prep and skincare. When it comes to skincare and skin prep, let me show you a few of my favorite steps and creams and lotions and potions that I use. Now, first things first, always cleanse your skin properly. And even if you don't have time, a little micellar water will help greatly. This is the first step to clean your face before you put on any moisturizers or serums. Scrubbing. It's great to exfoliate your face. I use a scrub every week, sometimes maybe twice a week. Depending if I wear a lot of makeup for work, I like to use a deep cleanse. I use a scrub and I go for it. Have a moment and massage it into your face and rinse it with warm water. If it's your thing to tone, I would say use a toner. You could use it in a spray or in a pad, and you could just wipe it across your face like this and let it sit for a little bit before you apply any kind of eye mask, essence, or moisturizer. Now, other than moisturizers that every girl should have, let's go another step. Let's take this one up. At night before I sleep, I love to use this kind of serum. Great thing about a serum like this is the viscosity of it is just nice. It's not too thick, and all you need is just a little bit. Rub it on your face, down your neck. Sometimes I even put it on the back of my hands just to make sure that my hands look young as well. And you know what? They sort of just absorb into itself and it's not oily or not greasy. Hyaluronic acid, I've only just discovered this in the last 4 years. So when you put something like a hyaluronic ingredient onto your face, unlike moisturizers who try to lock and deposit moisture into your face, the hyaluronic acid actually actively absorbs moisture from its surrounding to keep your face sort of plump and moist throughout the day. The next serum I want to talk to you about is vitamin C. This has got to be one of the major players in my skincare routine, and I use this every night. What it does is it lightens the freckles or skin pigmentation and creates a brighter, more even and healthier skin tone. Now remember that you should only apply your vitamin C serum at night, pretty much 12 hours before you hit the sunlight. Because vitamin C, when applied onto the surface of your skin, is actually phototoxic. So what that means is that, it's not great when it comes to the sun contact and your skin could burn faster. Now, if your skin is on the dry side, it's probably gonna benefit from an oil instead of a serum. So look out for rose oil in the market. Make sure they're good quality rose oil. You don't need too much. You just need a little dropper in between your hands and just press it onto your face. You can actually feel like a film on top of your face, but leave it there because what it means is that sort of creates a barrier between the environment and your face, and everything else is locked in securely. Now, if you have really dry eyes, please invest in a really good eye moisturizer. In my experience, if you find that your mascara smudges too much, even though you buy a smudge-proof mascara, well, let me tell you this. Whatever the formula of mascara, it will break down with an oily ingredient in it. So if you have the problem of panda eyes, skip the eye cream in the morning and apply a good layer at night. Now, ever wondered why those beautiful Asian girls have those glassy, luminous skin? A Pitera Essence is great. Put it in the palm of your hand like this, just a few drops. Smack your hands together and then pat it onto your face just lightly. No rubbing, no tapping, no massaging, just tap it in. And you find that after, half a bottle that your skin is beautiful, luminous, and crystal clear. If you do not care at all about moisturizing, skincare, whatever, the one product that you must do is sun protection. Sun protection is the most effective way for anti-aging. The ones that I like for myself, I would use a new rating of an SPF 50+, PA 4+. Products like this, they have a new ingredient called oxidine. And what it does is the UV rays get absorbed into your skin and then dissipates as heat. So it dissolves all the rays in your skin. So it's a very different way of working. Just make sure that you don't choose a sunscreen that's light reflective. Now we're going to go into the land of masks. There are all kinds of masks available, and I love collecting them. I love trying new masks because they do different things and serve different purpose. I use something like a clay mask to put it on once a week, and this is pore refining, so it's really good. A clay mask extracts all the toxins from underneath your skin through the pores. And when you wash it off, it just gives you beautiful, clear, sort of a velvety finish kind of skin. On those days where you feel like, you know, you had too much to drink or a late night out, I would do a little cheat. I would use an eye mask. So these eye masks are great. They're gel patches and they go on and you leave them on for like 10, 15 minutes and you could get ready while that's happening. It's kind of like a bonus round to help your eyes recover faster, to depuff it. These are great to bring on the plane as well, just to keep your eye area hydrated. Everybody has a sheet mask now, and this is really good and handy because it's not too messy. But with a sheet mask, just remember that you have a time span for about 15 to 20 minutes. Because let me explain this to you. When you put the sheet mask on, it is drenched with serum. And when you put it on, what it does is that it's concentrating all that serum into your skin, right? So it's making your skin hydrated. At one point, when you touch the surface of your mask and it gets a bit dry, that's when you should take it off. Because if you don't, what happens is that the sheet mask will actually reabsorb the moisture from your skin into the sheet mask, leaving you more dehydrated than probably ever. So make sure you put it on, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes or whatever it says on the pack, and then take it off when the time is up. Also there's probably a little bit more serum in it. I like to turn it in half, squeeze the rest of it out, and apply it to my hands and my elbows, down my neck. This is really good, potent stuff, and I never throw that away. And when I'm done with it in 20 minutes, I take it off my face and I wipe the sole of my feet just to make sure that all parts is moisturized. I try to recycle and apply this to as many places of my body as possible. So that's really good. Many girls have told me that they have a reaction or they have a breakout after using a certain skincare products. So you might want to check that if it's fragrance free. Usually the fragrance in the product will cause you a breakout. When it comes to skincare and skin prep, you can really see that what you put in is what you actually get out. So take your time to look after your skin, because the better your skin, the less makeup you'll need.